when we formed our Mumbai Boxing Council and for a very heavy and strong structure in the development of boxing, especially in Mumbai. And for that, my first choice, mine and especially Ajay sir's first choice was with UPB. And at that time, Alhamdulillah, during that time, even the promoter of UPB, Mr. Anirban sir, was also planning his first event in Mumbai. So that's how we got together. And right now, according to me, handling the Mumbai Boxing Council, I wanted a strong promotion to start off with and to make sure that we stay consistent in all of our upcoming events. And what I feel is right now in India, United Boxing Promotions are one of the most top boxing promotions because till date they have almost done, I think, around 25-26 events till date, right? And I think they are right now the most dominant promotion right now in India. And inshallah in the future they'll go more up. Anirban sir, you have anything to say regarding this?
Well, I'll just say that we were quite happy to have partnered with Zishan and promoting the Mumbai Boxing Council's inaugural event. We wanted to make sure that they have a very strong start. We wanted to bring our experience with them, and I believe that we can put up a good show, which will be a good start for things to come. And like I told Zishan earlier when we were off camera, that आप जितना बुलाओगे हम उतना आना चाहेंगे, वो आप पे निर्भर करता है.
Absolutely, sir. Absolutely.
Very well said, sir. So, one question from Maninder sir. From the past few years, we have seen collaboration with you and Zishan sir. Will we get to see Hyderabad and Mumbai boxing collaboration in the future?
हाँ जी, बिल्कुल आपको हैदराबाद और मुंबई की कोलैबोरेशन ज़रूर मिलेगी और हमारे तेलंगाना बॉक्सिंग काउंसिल से हमको पूरी सपोर्ट है और वो जैसा बता रहे हैं कि मैक्सिमम से मैक्सिमम बॉक्सर्स हम लोग जिशान सर को देंगे यहाँ पे और जितना हो सके बॉक्सिंग को हम लोग बढ़ाएंगे. काफ़ी बॉक्सर्स है तेलंगाना में, हैदराबाद में बहुत अच्छे बॉक्सर्स हैं जो आज की डेट में रैंकिंग में हैं. तो हम लोग पूरी कोशिश करेंगे और 100% अपनी देने की कोशिश करेंगे कि जिशान सर की तरफ से पूरा सपोर्ट किया जाए. थैंक यू.
Thank you so much, sir. One question for Ajay Sarvi, sir. Zishan sir has given you very important role in Mumbai Boxing Council. What are your plans for Mumbai boxing structure?
Thank you. Thank you for the opportunity. Basically, many people doesn't know that amateur association in Mumbai is the oldest association in the Asia. I was a part of earlier in amateur where I'm playing in intercollegiate. It was 75. So Mumbai have biggest structure of amateur boxing, but they don't have a professional boxing. Right now we have hardly 5 to 6 boxers, and that is the reason I has to collaborate with Jishan to promote a professional boxing in Mumbai. Now we have plan like we will want a proper professional boxing gym with a professional coach and professional attitude. Because professional boxing is depend upon the proper management and proper coach and diet and everything. And of course we have now UPB in our side like a promotion. They are helping our boxer to get a fight, to promote their records and everything. Also we are trying like other promoters type with the other promoter. They can do the event here. We can send our boxers to out, as well as Mumbai District Council also planning some more event in the future. So definitely we are looking all the way the growth.
Very well, sir. Said, sir. So, one question for you again, Zishan sir.
Yes.
We have also heard that you are going through a project meeting with Mr. Ankur, who is the promoter for the New World Combat.
Mr. Ankur is one of my very old friends, and he is currently the founder of New World Combat. And New World Combat has UFC, Venom, Fatex, Yokao, all of this top combat sports brand under them. And inshallah in the future we are looking forward to start with a project where in most of our competitions we will do a big collaboration with New World Combat, especially Mr. Ankur as well. But we are still in a preliminary agreement with Mr. Ankur. So let's see, we will disclose that close enough.
Very well said, sir. Thank you so much. Thank you. That all the questions.
And also, this is our first event with UPB and especially Anirban sir. And but in the upcoming 5 to 6 months as well, we will be planning few more events. Obviously, the dates, venues, and all we can't disclose it right now. and there was a reason to keep this event invites only and VIP guests only, because we have a complete setup and lineup we have to go according with. But hopefully in the future, mostly in the next event itself, we'll keep it open for all of the audience. And yeah, we'll surely do it. Any last things to say, Anirban sir?
I think we are very happy to be in Bombay. We want to help Mumbai Boxing Council as much as possible. Bring in the UPB experience, bring in the UPB expertise of fighters across the country, and we have had a lot of international fighters come in. I believe this will be a good start for the Mumbai Boxing Council along with UPB, and we want to come back as soon as possible. And as Ishan, as he said, we will plan a few things in the future, and you will hear from us soon.
Sure. All right. Thank you so much, everybody, for coming now.
So last word I wanted to say, Boxing Council. Now I can say कि in Mumbai District Boxing Council, work has been started. Thanks to Brigadier Raja and Vivek Raja, who show their faith on us.
Absolutely.
And help us to they give opportunity to start Mumbai District Council. So
Because
this
I
is
think
the-
it's their expertise which formed the IBC, right? And after that, all of the districts that have been found after Indian Boxing Council, it's all because the hard work of Mr. Brigadier Raja and also of our CEO of Indian Boxing Council, Mr. Vivek Raja. And yeah, we'll do some more events in IBC main panels as well. But let's not disclose everything soon
Yes.
enough right now, right? Yeah. Okay, thank you so much, everybody.
Thank
so
you.
much. Thank you.
फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल हाय एवरीबॉडी, इस चैनल के माध्यम से मैं आपको एक साफ बात बताना चाहता हूँ कि मालूनी एक स्लम एरिया है और स्लम में इस तरीके की चीज़ें जो है इनको कोई भी मतलब तवज्जो नहीं दी जाती है, कोई प्रायोरिटी नहीं है कि सिर्फ उठो एक जॉब करो छोटा सा और अपनी तुम्हारी लाइफ यही है। लेकिन आज जिस तरीके से ज़ीशान ने एक कदम आगे बढ़ाकर इस खेल को मालूनी में नहीं मलाड में प्रमोट कर रहे हैं। आज हम मालूनी के यूथ जो है मालूनी के, उनका काम सिर्फ एक नॉर्मल सा जॉब करना नहीं रहा, अब वो स्पोर्ट्स में इंटरेस्ट ले रहे हैं। हमारे जो यहाँ के आमदार है विधानसभा 162 के एमएलए असलम शेख साहब, वो इस तरीके की चीज़ों को, क्योंकि हम ड्रग्स फ्री मलाड मालवनी चाहते हैं। आज मालूनी के हर एरियाज़ में ड्रग्स का जिस तरीके से कारोबार हो रहा है और ड्रग्स जिस तरीके से फुल फल रहा है, हमारी जो यंग पीढ़ी है, जो हमारी यूथ है, वो एक टाइप से स्पॉइल हो रही है, उनकी लाइफ डिस्ट्रॉय हो रही है। तो हमें उस चीज़ को रोकना है। तो उस चीज़ के लिए हम लोगों ने स्पोर्ट्स का बहुत बड़ा हमको एक सहारा मिला है कि स्पोर्ट्स एक ऐसी चीज़ है जिसमें कोई भी ड्रगिस्टिक होता है जो वो इस नशे से आज़ाद होने के लिए, उससे बचने के लिए स्पोर्ट्स में इंटरेस्ट ले। तो हमारी कोशिश है मलाड मालवनी को ड्रग्स फ्री करना है। तो हम ज़ीशान को इसी वजह से सपोर्ट कर रहे हैं और हमारा सपोर्ट आगे फ्यूचर में भी रहेगा।
और देखिए कैसा है ना कि जैसे आपने कहा मामा कि क्राइम रेट हो गया, ड्रग एडिक्शंस हो गए, कोई भी तरीके के नशे पानी के एडिक्शंस हो गए, ये तो क्लियर है कि ये मालवनी में इसका रेट ज़्यादा, बट इसको सॉल्व करने के लिए यही है कि अपने को लोगों को ना सही पाथ पे लाके उन लोग की एनर्जी चैनलाइज कराना बहुत ज़रूरी है। एंड फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल ये काम हम लोग अकेले ज़रा भी नहीं कर सकते थे अगर हमारे पास हमारे आमदार मिस्टर असलम शेख का साथ नहीं होता तो। एंड अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह उन्होंने हमारा बहुत ज़्यादा सपोर्ट किया ये चीज़ को इधर डेवलप करने के लिए, ग्राउंड सपोर्ट से लेके हर एक तरीके के सपोर्ट में उन्होंने हमारा साथ दिया है। और बात यही है कि ये स्पोर्ट को आगे ला के वॉट वी आर ट्राइंग टू डू इज़ वी आर ट्राइंग टू क्रिएट एन इकोसिस्टम फॉर द पीपल हु डजंट हैव जॉब्स अपॉर्चुनिटीज़। बिकॉज सी खाली फाइटिंग का एक जॉब नहीं हो गया कि एक फाइटर है, फाइटर रिंग में आ गया और आपने फाइट खेल लिया। फाइट इवेंट्स जो होता है, फाइट ऑफिशियल्स हो गया, फाइट रेफरीज हो गए, फाइट जजेस हो गए, इवेंट जो फाइट का पूरा मैनेज करना होता है, ये सब एक बहुत बड़ा खेल है। तो ये चीज़ों को भी आगे लोगों को सिखाना और ये चीज़ में कैसे लोग पार्ट ले सकते हैं और डेवलप कर सकते हैं, ये भी हम लोग इंशाल्लाह ज़रूर कोशिश करेंगे ये आगे जाके करने की। और सबसे बड़ा प्लान तो हमारा यही है कि मालवनी और मलाड बेस से एक ऐसी सॉलिड कॉम्बैट स्पोर्ट टीम को आगे लेके जाना जो आगे जाके इंडिया लेवल पे, इंटरनेशनल लेवल पे महाराष्ट्र, मुंबई और स्पेशली मालवनी और मलाड का नाम रोशन करे आगे जाके।
Thank you so much, sir. We hope you the best.
इंशाल्लाह।
Saif sir, what are your plans in the boxing development in Mumbai in the future?
So I think it's not disclosed yet, but from the Mumbai Boxing Council we are launching our promotion as well. The name and everything will be disclosed soon. And when I wanted to throw down my combat sports event, obviously I already have Bombay Beatdown, Junior Fighting Championship, and other few events under me. But when I thought about starting my own boxing promotions, I was like, I need to step down, take care. I need to have a break from being a promoter. And the first guy in my mind that came was my main man writer, Mr. Saif. So our upcoming boxing promotion that is going to run under Mumbai Boxing Council, Saif sir is going to be the promoter of that, and he has some exciting plans for that. Oh, if you can share it to the media as well.
So my plan is to establish a strong foundation for boxing in Mumbai, giving opportunities to young fighters and creating a good base for the fighters. And also I want to thank Mr. MLA Aslam Sheikh, who has been supporting us very. And that's all. Thank you so much.
All right. Thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you so much.